Good day, my name is Michael Holzer. Today I show you the risk management perspective on the product lifecycle. We take a look onto innovation process. Here we improve vacuum cleaner. Generally, the PLC consists of 4 phases: the concept, planning, execution, and determination phase. At the end of each phase, we have a decision whether to go further in the project or not. It's here at the end of the phase, the go or no-go decision. The cumulative costs are shown here in the y-axis. The planning phase, the costs are higher than in the determination phase. Execution phase here is probably too long for an R&D project, but it can be suitable for a plant construction project. The 4 project phases are broken down to 8 stages to have more decision points. Before decision to go on with the project after concept, we evaluate the concept, and after effective evaluation, we go further to the next stage. The same we have then the next stages. After evaluations, we go to the go no-go decisions. At the beginning, we think about the concept of the improved vacuum cleaner. A trigger event could be to get a feedback from the customer that the noise level and the energy consumption are too high. We find out that we can improve these 2 parameters by improved design of the vacuum cleaner fan. At the end of this stage, we make an evaluation of the concept. For this, we use also the technical simulation software to simulate the airflow within the vacuum cleaner and the stability of the vacuum cleaner. In a group decision, we find the go decision to go further. Design stage. The target here is to make the design of the vacuum cleaner fan, means the drawing and the parts list. Use these documents then in the plan phase. It's important here to evaluate it very effectively to avoid backlog, the delivery later, or to avoid higher costs. Here we give a go decision and move on further to the plan stage. Key risk is to start too early into the plan stage with too less evaluation done. in the plan stage to think about how to produce the prototype. We make a timeline, a cost calculation. We know who delivers the parts, how we produce it. At the end, we evaluate it and go with a go decision into the next stage. The allocation phase mainly has the sense to allocate tasks to the project members. Hourly packages are determined for each project member. Make also a resource capacity planning for the execution phase to see if there can be any bottleneck expected or not. The suppliers support the delivery dates. Production workshop confirms also. We go further to the execution phase. The execution phase, the final production time is planned, but needs to be postponed a few times. But finally, we find it and agree on it, and at the end of the stage, prototype is produced. Introduction of design changes in this phase are very risky, should be avoided. Sometimes it's better to go back to the concept phase or the design stage. Delivery stage, we deliver prototype from the prototype workshop to the serious workshop. The fan is assembled into a serious vacuum cleaner and tested at the workshop. We know now that the actual performance is a little bit lower than the designed one, but we agree on it to go further and use it as a product improvement. Review phase, we take a look on the lessons learned, write it down. Mistakes made should not be made in the future at other projects. Action should not be done twice if not necessary in the future. We have a software simulation done here for the fan. Then it can be used also for other projects. Support states not that important for R&D because we don't consider here the serious production. But generally it's very important, mainly for serious production products or for plant constructions. The withdrawal of support can be a risk here. Mainly it's also negotiated in earlier stages, this topic. Here the basic for this presentation. I used the National Journal article of Project Management 1995, Risk Management Perspective on the Project Life Cycle from Stephen C. Ward and Chris P. Chapman. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for listening.